Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally showing you guys today my most requested tutorial, which is the box braid over dreadlocks. So I posted this last year December, a couple of weeks ago, and I got a lot of responses. The picture actually went viral and a lot of you requested a tutorial on how the style was achieved. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do box braid on dreadlocks. So the first thing you want to do is to apply your shine and jam, and you're just going to apply it on the locks, and you're just going to twist it just like how you retwist dreadlocks to make it look neater at the roots. And you're just going to take your extension hair for the size. She's getting about the small medium to medium size, so you're just going to grab it just like how you do regular box braid. So as you braid down, you make sure you're braiding as tight as possible, and you make sure you are tucking in the dreadlocks under the extension hair so it's not sticking out. Trust me guys, this was a challenge, but it's definitely can be done. As you can see, it takes a lot of patience. So take your time, no rush, make sure it looks natural as possible. Of course, it's not gonna look as smooth as a straightened hair, but it can still look as natural as possible. And then when I got to the middle, because the dress in the middle was extremely thick, so I'm just adding more hair to make it to give it more room for me to hide the locks under, to prevent the locks from sticking out of the extension hair. So as you can see, you can hardly tell the lock is under the braids. So you're just going to keep repeating the same process as you did in the back and for the front. Done braiding, you're just gonna trim the hair. You can use a scissors, you can use a lighter, whichever one is easy for you. I prefer the lighter because it makes it faster, and it also trim it as much as possible. But if you're good with scissors, it really doesn't matter whichever one you use. So when you're done trimming, you're just gonna apply your mousse to reduce any frizziness, and you're gonna put it in hot water to seal the hands and to make it look as natural as possible. And you're just gonna blow dry it to dry out the water, and you can moisturize it with your oil and sheen, and you can lay them baby hair, and it's ready to style. And here is the finished look. I hope this tutorial was detailed enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section. All the products used for this tutorial will be linked in the description box down below, so please check it out. My Instagram and Facebook page is at sooooo112. Follow me to see more of my work. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Have a blessed day. Bye.